What is going on, my peeps? All right, so today, time check, it is 6:45. We don't have much time at all to fish, but there's a little river. It's called the Chutica Bluff River. It's right around the corner from my house. So, threw the chesty on, got a pole. Let's go see if we can make something happen, you know? You never know. Can't catch them unless a line is wet. Oh, let's try that again. Can't catch them unless a line is wet. All right, I'll keep you updated. See you in a second. All right. Third cast in, got to retie. That's always good. Got some to choose from. We're going to need a hook. I guess we'll go wacky rig again. Or should I go swim bait? Don't really have much to choose from as I'm just starting to bass fish, or freshwater fish I should say. So, don't really know what I want to do here. Tell you what, let's try something. It's probably not even right, but we're going to try it anyway. Just a fisherman's knot. Wet the line. Let's clip off the excess. Do a little rage tail. I always get these kind of not very good at rigging freshwater baits. I will say that. I'll be the first to admit that. This is probably not even how you use this bait. But the good thing about fishing is there's really no right or wrong way, as long as you're catching fish. That's all that matters. I guess if the fish don't care, I don't care. Yeah. Let's go toss that a few times, see what kind of luck we get. There's somebody who needs to work on their brakes. So I know I'm probably not fishing this right. I don't even see how it looks in the water. Doesn't look too bad. I know it's supposed to mimic a crawl or something, but we're gonna fish it like a swim bait and see what we can get. You know, fishing's fishing, right? As long as you are having fun. It's really not even about catching things, just about having fun. Just got bumped right by the shore there. Something popping right over here. See if I can flip into him. Oh, on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off. He came off. Oh, man. And he jacked this thing all up. Okay, well, I know that my rigged up little swim bait works. Alright, maybe he went back. Let's see if he went back there. Bet he's a little bit further up in there. Let's try that. I mean, he hit that right by the bank too. So probably should be throwing over them into the bank a little bit more. I know we're not supposed to do this, but rules are made to be broken, right? I have fished off of here before, so probably a bunch of snakes up in here. I have a feeling this water's too stagnant. All right, I don't even know if you guys can see. We're making one last ditch effort here. That was something big. All right, so we're back at the house. Today wasn't very successful. We did find the Tokyo rig in the tree, used it, got snagged, lost it. But hey, that's part of the adventure, finding new stuff. And you never know what you're going to find, if things are going to work out or if they're not. So that's part of fishing. I think what I want to do with this channel is not only show you the successes of fishing, but also show you the hardships, because we don't always go out there and crush it every time, right? A lot of times it's a grind. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this channel, show you a little bit of everything. So I got another video coming out very soon where we actually caught some fish. So be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comments. Also did do a upgraded microphone on the GoPro, so you'll probably hear a little bit better audio in this one too. So let us know what you think, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.